Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Ds18 unboxing video. I'm Mr. Ds18 and today, speaker heaven. That's right, the ZXI two-way coaxial speakers. This speaker series has every speaker size you guys need. 3.5, 4 inches, 4x6, 5.25, 5x7, 6.5, and 6x9s. Now these are all glass fiber cones, but it looks like carbon fiber. Some of them come with the 1-inch dome tweeter in the middle to make it sound loud and crisp. The 3 inches comes with this bullet type kind of tweeter, which is also great. After this video, I'm going to do a testing video so you guys can experience and hear these speakers for yourself. Let's start off with the 3.5 inches. Check out the 3.5 inches. It has that glass fiber cone, rubber surround. It does look like carbon fiber. Check out the little motor. Nice connectors. Now this speaker is 120 watts max power, 40 watts RMS. It comes as pair, and this one does not have any grills included. Now the 4 inches, the 4-inch does have this nice mesh grill, but it also has this 1-inch tweeter in the middle. It also has that glass fiber or carbon fiber look cone, rubber surround. This 4 inches is heavy. It has a nice boot that protects the magnet. Nice connector. This 4 inches is 150 watts max power, 50 watts RMS. They're sold also as pairs, and they do come with the grill. On to the 4x6. 4x6 weird shaped speaker. This also comes with the mesh grill, as you guys can see. 1-inch tweeter, rubber surround. It has that glass fiber cone or carbon fiber look cone. Nice suspension I'm seeing here. It also has a boot for the magnet. This one's rated at 150 watts max, 60 watts RMS. Also sold as pair and comes with the grills. 5.25. 5.25 also has a grill. That 1-inch tweeter, glass fiber cone, rubber surround. It has that boot protecting the magnet. This bad boy is 180 watts max power, 60 watts RMS. Comes as pair, comes with grill. 5x7 also comes with the grill. 5x7. Nice 1-inch tweeter. It has that glass fiber cone, rubber surround, boot also on the magnet. Comes as pair. 210 watts max power, 70 watts RMS, and it's heavy. 5x7. Now on to 6.5. This 6.5 is everyone's favorite. Comes with the grill, 1-inch tweeter, glass fiber cone, rubber surround. You got the boot protecting the magnet, 240 watts max, 80 watts RMS. Comes as pair, comes with grill. And now everyone's favorite. Oh man, this guy's heavy. 6x9. Look at the grill of the 6x9. Look at the cone of the 6x9. That cone is massive. This speaker's actually heavy. It has the glass fiber cone, the 1-inch tweeter, rubber surround. It also has the boot to protect the magnet. This one's 360 watts max power, 120 watts RMS. Now all these speakers come as pair. All of them come with the grills except the 3.5. The 3.5 is the only one that doesn't come with the grill. Now again, I'm going to do a test video as soon as we finish this video so you guys can hear how loud and clear these babies sound. If you guys have any comments, drop them down below. I'm going to also leave the link so you guys can check out these speakers individually. If you want to purchase them, you know what to do. So thank you guys for tuning in to another Ds18 unboxing video. I'm Mr. Ds18 and we like it loud.